I'm really excited to share this next box with you guys because it is a small business run by a woman. They gave me an offer on Facebook to try for $6 for the first month. That's the box that we have right here. And after that, it's $20 a month and you get 3 pieces of jewelry. The box is called Simple Statement Jewelry. So the pieces are a little, I don't want to say basic or plain. Those aren't the correct words, but they're simple. Yeah, there we go. Simple statement jewelry. They're not very loud pieces, I think is the best way to put it. And I'm a little more of a loud person. I definitely prefer my jewelry to be a little more eccentric, but I just loved that this company was run by a woman by herself. That's amazing. And it just seemed like a nice box for us to try. So it came with a beautiful handwritten note from the owner of the company. It says, "Thank you. I hope you love your pieces. I included a free anklet with your order. Enjoy. Love always, Jalen." I think it says Jalen. It's in cursive, and I'm bad at reading cursive. So the first thing I see is a jewelry care instructions card, and it says shower. Remove jewelry before showering and do not place back until skin is dry. Swimming, no swimming with jewelry on. Sweat. Remove jewelry before excessive sweat such as the gym. All right, fair enough, fair rules. The total value of the box is supposed to be $63.93. Everything comes in this nice little baggie. See, the first thing on our list is a 14 karat plated turquoise stone hypoallergenic necklace with a value of $25. So there's the necklace. It is not my color. I will be gifting this, but I do like it. If you're into that color, it's a good piece. So the next piece is a 14 karat adjustable bracelet with the value of $16. And this is probably my favorite thing in the whole box. It looks very basic to me, very simple, but I really like it. It looks really nice and it fits me really well. One of my biggest problems with bangles is that they get huge and they come all the way up here. That's as high as it goes when I put my arm down. And they said adjustable, so I believe that means that I can like squeeze on it a little and maybe make it a little smaller. Yeah. After that, we have the 14 karat plated hypoallergenic threader earrings with the value of $10. And I've actually seen these before and I don't like how they look at all. I think I shouldn't say I think they're hideous. Like I said, I'm just not into this simple type of jewelry. I think that like if this is your style, then these would be amazing. They are just not my style. And it kind of freaks me out that like, I don't know. It's just not a traditional earring to me. Like, I don't know. Some people would love this. It's not my style. I will be gifting these, but I knew before I opened the box that most of the things wouldn't be like my personal style because my personal style is not like the more simple items, but I do think that this box is a decent value if you're into the more simple types of jewelry. And the last thing in our order is a 14 karat plated stone anklet for $12.99. And this, once again, has the turquoise on it. This I actually like a lot more than that necklace. I don't know. Maybe I'm being hypocritical of turquoise on the necklace because this anklet's actually really cute to me. And this is something I would wear. So I might keep this and gift the necklace and earrings to someone. So overall, in this box, I got 2 items I will be keeping and 2 items I will be regifting. At a $20 per box price tag, I feel like if it's your style, it's totally worth it. $5 per piece of jewelry, totally worth it. If you're like me and you're more into the eccentric jewelry, then maybe this box is not for you. But I will leave a link to the website in the description down below for you guys in case you want to check it out because it is a small business, which we would always love to support here on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please hit like and subscribe so I can see you again.